easily that peels. It's nice and moist and fluffy. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite out of this. Hi everyone, this is Rosanna and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be going over a very special recipe. It's a blueberry muffin recipe with streusel on top. I'm so excited about this recipe, so let's get started and go over the ingredients. For these blueberry muffins, we will need to make a topping and the muffin mix. For the topping, we will need AP flour, brown sugar, ground cinnamon, salt, unsalted butter, it needs to be cold, almond slices, lemon zest, and for the muffin mix we will need AP flour, baking powder, salt, softened unsalted butter, sugar, large eggs, vanilla extract, milk, and fresh blueberries. This is a very simple recipe and anybody can do it. So let's start with our muffin mix. Okay, so we will start with our muffin mix. We will go ahead and take our baking powder and salt and add it to our AP flour. Next, we will take our whisk and just gently incorporate your dry ingredients. Then you can put your bowl aside. We will now take our soft butter and put it in our bowl. In addition to this, we will take our sugar and add it to our butter as well. Now we will go ahead and take our bowl, put it in our mixer so that we can start creaming these two together. For this step, we will be using our paddle attachment. After a minute of mixing, let's stop our mixer so that we can scrape down the sides, and we will resume on the mixing. Let's mix for an additional minute. After this minute has passed, we can stop our mixer so that we can scrape down our sides once again, and this will lead us to our second step, which is going to be adding our eggs one at a time. Wait till your egg incorporates into your mix, and then you can go ahead and add your second egg. Let's go ahead and add our vanilla. At this point, your mix will look a little bit broken, but don't worry about it. It will come together once we add the rest of our ingredients. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add half of the flour since we are going to be alternating this with our wet ingredients. And now is mixing time again. It is blueberry time. Let's go ahead and fold our blueberries into our mix. And your mix is going to turn out a little bit thick, and that is just the perfect consistency you want. Okay, now that we have our mix ready, we are going to go over to the next step, which is going to be our streusel. Let's get our topping done. For this, let's go ahead and add our granulated sugar, our brown sugar, and our flour into the bowl. Following this, we will take our salt and add it in there as well. Let's grab our lemon and zest it over our flour. Next, we will take our almond slices and pour them in there as well. And as our last step, we will take our cold butter that I previously cut into cubes into our mix. Make sure that your butter is cold. This is what's going to give our crumble that consistency that we need. Now it's time to mix it up. Let's go ahead and mix it with our paddle attachment. and I will show you what the end result is going to look like. And this is what you are going to be looking for. This consistency right here is perfect. Our muffin mix and our streusel look beautiful. So now let's start assembling it. I went ahead and lined up my muffin pan with muffin cups, and this will actually make 12 muffins. Let me go ahead and fill up every single cup, and make sure that you do a very generous scoop. This part is oh so exciting. We are going to take our streusel or crumbs and we're going to top off our muffins. Let's go ahead and top every single one of these deliciousness. Once these are topped off, let's go ahead and bake it at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Yay, our muffins are done. I've actually baked them for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. It just depends on your oven as well. So just keep an eye on it until you get this nice golden color. And I just went ahead and put them on a cooling rack so they can cool off a little bit. Make sure you try this recipe and then you can come back and comment down below and let me know how it went. Now I'm gonna go ahead and taste one of these. I'm telling you, these are warm. I so hope I could share these with you guys, but I can't. But I can tell you how good they are. So I'm just, look how easily that peels. It's nice and moist and fluffy. So now let's open it up. Oh, look at all those blueberries. I'm telling you, these are great. Now, I'm gonna take one of these and I'm gonna go ahead and put some butter in it. So you take some butter. Oh, these are so good. Oops, one of them fell. Guys, this is amazing. These are so delicious. Alright, so please do not forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Share it with your friends, family, everybody you know. Click the notification bell. You could also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.